Who don't love their pastry? Today the itinerary is exploring the city and try one of the famous pastry in Hong Kong. The best way of exploring the city is with tram car. It is cheap and you can round the city without walking on the street. Also, the tram, whenever you take it, will be a flat rate whichever stop you go to. I have reached my stop and time to go down. Inconsiderate people, this is the exit, not the entrance. It is still early in the morning and weekdays that is the best time to go out and explore the city. If you have not noticed, many building in Hong Kong is high-rise. A lot of people is just chilling by the view of the sea. It is not as nice as Victoria Harbour, but more cooling and cozy over here. With all the walking and exploring, the next destination is to fill our tummy. The street art is beautiful. This place is called Bakehouse. Be ready to queue in line with this very popular pastry shop in Hong Kong, but luckily it is weekdays, so it have short queue. They even serve drinks. They have so many choice of pastry. You will love this so much. So I ordered 2 items from their menu.
So where are you right now?
First will be their egg tart.
That's how it is. Yeah.
It's so crispy and creamy, the perfect combination. That is why it is so famous.
Is it nice? Show me your frosted bag.
Next, cinnamon pecan roll. This one is good. The flavor is just perfect, and walnut inside give an additional crunch to it.